My name is Wayne Karshner, and I am the General Manager of Hawkins Manufacturing in Holdrege, Nebraska. We're featuring at the National Farm Show our down corn reel and fluff mover. We have produced the Hawkins corn reel since 2005. In 2011 we introduced the fore and aft options, so the Hawkins corn reel has been an ideal product for Hawkins to help our farmers take care of the down corn, whether it's lodge corn or wind-blown corn. We can help you stay in the combine and stay safe. This item here is called our row crop stabilizer. We've been manufacturing this unit for considerable years. It's a very popular item in the South where the farmers all plant on beds, and the row crop stabilizer helps keep your planter or your cultivator on your row. The next item that we're featuring is the Hawkins planter enforcer. The Hawkins planter enforcer is designed to apply liquid fertilizer while you're planting. The planter enforcer was introduced in 1989 as a second generation planter enforcer, or a second generation fertilizer planter attachment. The next item that we're featuring is our Coulter enforcer. The Coulter enforcer is a unit for side dress, and here we're showing it mounted to a little mock-up of our front truss toolbar. I might mention we make a variety of toolbars all the way up to 61-foot toolbars, which would be basically a 24-row 30 toolbar. We are probably one of the only manufacturers that offer a full 5-year warranty on all of our toolbars. Both our Coulter enforcer and our planter enforcer utilize a pressure system and a solid stream stainless steel nozzle to inject fertilizer in the slit that your Coulter is making.